Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I am standing at the door. We have done massive upgrades to this guy since we killed our last tree spirit, but I don't think it was the ulcerated tree spirit. Was it? It was the one outside we got for it. Did it for a flask or something. But first, Trey, what's up, my brother? You're here early. Got on YouTube to look up a trailer for a movie, and this popped up. Dude, Trey, that is good news. That's good news. Dude, I think... Tell me, Trey, if you were here last time, we got some upgrades. Last time we got Flame Grant Me Strength and Blood Flame Blade. We upgraded our mace. I think that's all we did. But those should be huge. But look where I am. Look where I am, folks. You guys know where this is. You guys know where I am. Is this a good idea on my first attempt, folks? The boss that I usually skip because I can't kill it, even on my best builds. I mean, I'm not going to say I can't. I usually come in here and grab the glove warts. And I bail. So I'm just going to give it a shot, man, because I'm here, right? Cat's here. What's up? Bielski, how you doing, man? Drew, boy, the whole crew's here, man. What? What, is everyone, like, just off for Valentine's Day or something? Is that a thing? Are all stores closed right now? Is it like Thanksgiving? Guys, I'm zoning in. I'm zoning in. I can hit this Blood Flame Blade. I guess I just cast it. You said it's a spell? My goal here is to stay alive. In my physic. In my equipment, I have really fire resist. That's all I got. It said he does Holy Flame when he grabs you. Will fire help that? Holy won't help with that, right? Because I have crap talisman, so I've got all this stamina. If Holy Flame includes Holy and Flame, I think I can do a Holy Resist trinket. Off due to sickness, Billy. No! No, man. Dude, the whole crew's here. You guys all showed up. This is freaking awesome, man. If you're new to the stream, you like what you see, throw me a sub. I'd appreciate it. Or a like. Even a like is good. So, yeah, man. I don't see anyone saying that that holy is a thing here. So I'm just gonna go with it, man. I'm gonna go with this. Can't see your screen. Oh, good, good, good. You can't. Oh, because I gotta scroll down. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Why is my screen not like that and not the whole screen? That is very interesting. Let's get the trooper chair. Come back to here. And this... Dude, it got resized, bro. Dude, that is so awesome that you caught that now. Because I fought bosses before, guys. I fought bosses before with the wrong scenario. Yeah. Now I think we're in, guys. So, yeah. Is there Holy 2? Yeah, only seeing a quarter of the screen. Got it. The screen's done. Thank you guys for that, man. Billy. Okay. My physic is FP consumption and Dex not crystal tear. It's all I got, guys. It's all I got. I have like completely crud trinkets, but that's okay. So we are going to try and get the... This is the... Oh, yeah. This is the first time we've ever got the Cerulean Tear. Is that what it's called? I just read it. The one what gives me mana enough to summon the Black Knife Teacher. The gang is all here. Black Knife's going to do blood. I know this guy's weak against fire. I don't have fire. Maybe Claw or X Talisman instead of the second one. What's the strength? What is that strength? Or Dex? It's Dex in the tier. No, the second one is Dex. This is definitely Dex. You know what? You know what I don't have? The Axe Talisman. That's really easy to get, huh? Do we get smart, guys? Do we get smart or go home and just run and grab it? Because it's so easy, right? That's Rune Bear, right? Isn't it Rune Bear? I think it might be Rune Bear, folks. Right. Not Wraith Blood Runes. It's over by Fort... yeah. You know what I'm trying to say. Right down the steps, right? Just run past the fool. That's probably a way better move than than like all that stamina. I love stamina regen. Oh my god, it makes the game so easy. But having this one, this is dumb. That just tells me I don't have trinkets. You know what I'm saying? That just tells me I don't have trinkets, guys. So we can go here, and we can port right here. Yeah, it's these runes right here. Mistwood. Right? Yep. We're going to go grab that. Excuse me. I'm over here complaining about talismans, and I haven't gotten like one of the best ones for my build off the freaking ground. Will I be able to put grease on this weapon after I cast my Blood Flame Blade? Does that go on the weapon? 73,000 runes. Am I even going the right way? It's like I'm going to the vendor, folks. Stay away from the vendor. He's not going to help me. Cannot stack grease. Yeah, I would think not, Drew. That's why I asked. Because I'm like, that just sounds like it wouldn't stack. How come I see people in videos run around this guy and not wake him up? Yet, it seems like every time I go near him, he wakes up, folks. I have it. What? I have it? Equipment Oreo. We can port right back, guys. This one, I have it. Oh, enhanced charge attacks. And a charge attack looks like what? Do I have to be two-handed? That's it. Yep, okay. Okay. So that's going to be big damn. Big damn. Only problem, of course, with that is this thing's a freaking nightmare, man. My goal is to not die on pull. That's a good goal in life, isn't it? We got hit by ice storm in Pennsylvania. Oh no. Don't love to see it. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, I don't have Golden Vow yet. I do not own the Golden Vow. Is there a reason why? Oh, because we don't have the... I think we don't have the faith for it or something. Maybe where a shard that you have could be a good move too when you start using the Weapon Ash more. Yeah, agree. And I considered that already about the Weapon Ash, and I'm like, probably not using that in here. Right? Now, we have not summoned the Black Knife Teach yet. He's only level 9, not level 10. Is it Black Knife Teacher or Latoul? Latoul for level 10 or Black Knife Teach for level 9? That is the question here, folks. Only live entertainment without power is Charlie's stream. You guys like the Teach, huh? He's going to be the move, even at level 9. Okay. Let us begin the buffing process, folks. Now, I have never summoned a Black Knife Teach before using this flask. But you're saying if I drink the flask, I'll have... Black Knife Teach will be lit up over here, and I will have... Well, you can't see it because it's underneath my camera. I'll have enough mana to summon him. I mean, I understand that's how it works. I've just never, in all my playthroughs, ever done it before, so... we're not going to have a lot of time. Let's go ahead and drink. Guys, I'm going in. Flame, give me some strength. We got him up. I want to get some damn. Okay, stay alive, stay alive. Dude, I'm doing great, damn. Try charged. That's good, damn, but I think just hit him is good. Okay. Tisha has a lot of health. You know what that means? Top off. Ooh. Kill him! Dude, I can't believe I did that. Dude, the Morningstar build is really coming along, folks. This was like a goof around build. This was a goof around build. Dude, that Blood Flame Blade was slapping, man. Shard of Alexander, Warrior Jar Shard, Scorpion Charm, Lord of Blood's Augmentation. Maybe if you can get your Arcane to 37. Just ideas. Yeah, at some point, Dave Joyce. My Arcane, let me check. Guys, we did that, man. I can't believe I just did that. My Arcane is at 12. Big's at 40. Mine 17. Endurance is 14. We put 2 points in that recently. Strength is at 52. Dex is at 50. And I have 137,000 runes, which is another level that's probably going in endurance. It's always the same ones you wouldn't think would smack. Dude, that first hit, the first time I hit him. It's hard for me to even know exactly what happened there, but I know that I didn't get grabbed, and I didn't get dead. I got hit a couple times. Arc only works if his weapon scales with Arc. It won't affect anything. I'm assuming since the glove warts, there's probably no great ghost glove wart here, right, guys? I think that's what we need for the Black Knife teacher. Return to the entrance. I'd like to get the great ghost glove wart, but I do not know where to get it because I feel like I've already picked up a lot of stuff, guys. Look at the map. I mean, Kaled is pretty freaking lit up. It's a great ghost, right? Okay. How come I can't push my normal buttons to get back to the Grace? Interesting. Dude, I was scared of that, man. I was scared of that. You guys know me. I come into everything with a little bit of a, oh no, I think I'm not going to be able to do this. And then we just smacked it. So that was very good news. I think before everything, because I'll lose these runes, guys. Oh, flasks. Added a charge. You gotta love that, folks. That makes it stronger. Level up. We got a full level. I think I'm gonna put it in endurance. There we go. It can't be a mistake, guys. Maybe. Oh, is it optimum? Maybe not. What I think I need is some 8s, some smithing stone 8s, and a ghost glove wart.
Greetings.
Happy Valentines sneeze, folks. I sneezed when I get close to the girl, folks. It made me nervous because it's Valentine's Day. I need a great ghost glove wart to level the teacher. And I need... I'll show you what I need. Excuse me, guys. I'm a mess over here. But we got live early. Guys, chess tournament day later. This one, I need 4 smithing stone 8s. That sounds like a bell bearing to me, but where the hell do you get that bell bearing? Yeah, floaties can help. Right. I was thinking about Arc 37 and the silver chair mask would help with the blood loss. Is that not right? Ooh. That might. It's always the ones you wouldn't think would smack that are the best. Oh, that was you, Colin Bielski. Yeah, right. Dave, nah, blood loss is only affected if his Morningstar scales in blood. Leveling Arc won't do anything to his blood loss. Okay. Because my Morningstar doesn't scale with what does it even scale with? Yeah, strength and dex, man. Strength and dex. So we're good there. The rating, ooh, Colin, that's a great question. I think last week was the open. I think it's going to be under 1250 today. Honey is a no for me. Do the others have flavors trade? Okay. He'd have to make Morningstar occult, blood, or poison for the blood to change with Arc. Ah. Ghost glove work, guys. Where's the Great Ghost Glove Ward? But more importantly, where's the one that I don't have? Great Ghost Glove Ward. I found out something crazy too, guys. I found out something crazy on my level 450. I think it's 450. The one we just finished. My NG, it'll be +9 when I restart. He hasn't even done the Hallowed Tree, guys. The Snow Witch has not done the Hallowed Tree. Got no graces there. Is that crazy? If anyone's got, a millennia they feel like knocking out later, we can do that. Ansel River, Maine, near the Dragonkin Soldiers of Noxtella. Found a chest under the Master Skeleton Rune, Night Sacred Ground. Figure Slayer Blade. Okay, wait. Oh, Mogwin Dynasty in the cave-like room preceding the Dynasty midpoint site of Grace. I already got that loot, man. I already got that loot, guys. I think I did. I might have skipped it. Guys. This is one I can check real quick because it's easy enough to check. Isn't it? Wait. No. We want to be over here. We want to be near Moog. Midpoint entrance. What the hell's it? Midpoint's going up to what's his face? Yeah. It's in the little caves on the run, right? The problem is you can't add Blood Flame Blade. Yeah. See that's more stacking. Sometimes when I get to this point, I've run past this loot before because I'm like, I don't need the loot. I just need to get the chicken farm open, right? But I seriously doubt it. We're gonna look because this is one we can rule out, man. And the other one, the one that they claim, I didn't think he was gonna pop, guys. We LOS'd him for sure. I can hear his poopies hitting. He's killing all the markers. See, I already looted these guys. I already looted these little caverns. This is an ash. Those are all ashes, right? Oh my God, no! I got deleted for 40k, bro. I got deleted. It's saying there's another one in a room underneath the massive skeleton and throne at Ansel River near the Dragonkin Soldier of Noxtella site of Grace. We're gonna run back there and grab them runes, and also because this is a real playthrough, folks. This is not a chicken farm playthrough. Storm flies and white mask while you're here. I should already have Storm flies because you loot that in the room I think I was just in, right? I wanted to LOS that fool by running to the right. There's a few caves here. Wow. And see, yeah, these have all been looted, guys. These have all been looted and patooted. Uh-oh. Looted and patooted. Do we need to make a coffee mug, folks? They're looted and patooted, and these are those little spike rollers. That's gonna be my new punk band name, the Spike Rollers. I think it's a good name, guys. We could go all the way. I think we could go all the way. Whoa, no! I think we could gain recognition from the UK punk scene, guys. You know why? Because I want to be NRK. Summer flies and white mask while you're here. Most definitely treat. Like I said, white mask. Well, I was afraid of the ulcerated tree spirit, right? I just know, like, that little invasion down there, not something I look forward to, folks. Now, there's no red dot. Do I simply go down there and get invaded, or I got to go do white mask first. I'm going to turn the music down a little bit, guys. I don't know about you guys, but the music's working as intended, and then some. There we go. It's the Sex Pistols, Johnny Rotten. You guys know, you guys hip to that stuff. You know what's funny? If you were to, put a pistola to my head, I might have said Sex Pistols, but I didn't even really know for sure. I just know the song. I just know, it's UK kind of punk. And I didn't see the movie. There was a movie, wasn't there? Johnny Rotten and, what's her name? Courtney Love or whatever. That was a joke. Think you get invaded regardless. It's 3 invasions around that area, says Billy. One of them I know. One of them I know. I was looking for a great ghost glove wart, but we could go on a side mission and go to the... Oh, wait. We're here. Is this the Moog scenario? It is. No. Okay, so there's one other Grace. Midpoint. Think you get invaded. Yeah. I know one of those is right down by the chicken. Oh, and Mindo, where's your sister mug? Where's your sister mug? It'd be a great mug. Okay, now, this is where I'm doing it right if I click on this, right, guys? But I can't do my buffs. Right? Because I can't do my buffs before because then I get invaded, right? Anyway, and it doesn't count. Whoa, come on, let's go. Is this the right one? Oh, I got time to buff. The problem is, I'm not a melee character! I had a Black Knife teacher. He usually comes right around here. Come on, buddy. I waited a long time. I expect you to spawn. Now he should come.
You seek.
Whoa!
Heedless of my warning, though you have been raised to a knight of the.
He's not doing much damn.
To the very depths of my being. I'll ensure you regret this, my lambkin. Enjoy your miserable death.
He put the flies on me! Should hit him again. I think I stopped him. Get him! Whoa! I did it with no health, guys. I did it with no health. That was not pretty, folks. It was not scripted. That was not scripted, guys. I did that on the fly. What about going with one eye shield or the Visage shield? Okay, maybe it might be too much juggling. He'd have to two-hand the weapon so he doesn't use it. The shield ash. Deleted that fool. Well, I like to think so, but I don't feel like it that much. Did I just get the white mask clothes and didn't even see the loot pop, folks? Now we're going to go to the other one that I know where it is, but there's a third one? Where's the third one? This is the one we can run down from the chicken farm. The problem with this one is twofold. The chicken ad, but the chicken ad, if you kind of stay in your zone. No way, come on. Don't let him knock me off. What the hell was that? Oh my god, his sisters are here. I literally want to go back to the Grace. How come I didn't take damage right there? How come I didn't take damage right there, guys? Oh, I remember one of the invasions is like right early. I remember where the other one is now. I remember where the other one is right now. It's over there where I'm looking at. But this one's over here. Ah! I almost fell. Where's the chicken, guys? I should have killed the chicken. Duh. Just kill a chicken. How come I don't kill a chicken, folks? I'm not gonna have time to buff, am I? And I gotta stay over here. I gotta fight over here and not pull the dogs. If we stay over here and don't pull the dogs. No! I just wanted to, What's with the freaking blood swarms? Can I hit him one? Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I just had to do some damn. This is not looking good, guys. I let the blood loss come, guys. I shouldn't have done that. Those are free hits for this fool. It's okay. No! Now I die. Son of a gun! I freaking had him! Since Charlie tends to use the Storm Ash on his weapon, I don't use it very often. I should have tried it there. Use your Ash more when you use Blood Flame, Charlie. It'll proc bleed pretty quick. Dude. That was actually horrible. And yet it wasn't bad. We're not taking any fire damage, so we could like put this in anything we want to. Boost the power attack of skills. We'll try and put a skill on that fool. The freaking bleed on this is a little bit nasty, guys. Test it. You get invaded by a 3. Uh-oh. The guard's coming. I got in trouble for killing the locals, guys, and the cops are on me. Oh, add Blood Flame first. Yeah, the problem with that is freaking Blood Flame. I mean, on a poll for an invasion, I had kind of had time. I got the Blood Flame off, and then I had to start dodging because didn't even feel like I had time to two-hand my freaking whip. Okay, so you want to see it slap like this. Let's see if it deletes him better. It was about the same. What's up, buddy? No, he's... That dude freaking spike rolled me and suicided at the same time. Learning, I didn't realize a basic Ash like Stormcaller would help pop the bleed. Yeah, I didn't know either, but okay. So that, and I would have had time to get it off too. Okay, untarget that malarkey. Okay, so now we're going. I just rested, right? Give me my runes, man. Hey, teacher. Why do I have to freaking wake up the entire freaking army, man? I felt a little cramped, guys. I felt a little cramped because I know I got a chicken on my right, and I usually will go too close to the dogs and pull the dogs. But knowing now that I didn't pull the dogs last time, I feel like I have a little bit of room. Yeah, but tell me, Drew, I can't buff before I go in, can I, or can I? Can I buff now and then go? I guess I can, because it doesn't like go to like a cutscene. It doesn't like fade and then come back, right? The guy just appears there. Yeah, you could see. That's something I didn't understand. That's going to be a little game changer, folks. Why? I'm going toe-to-toe! I went toe-to-toe again and almost had it. All I did is back off and heal. They would have healed, but yeah, I got this. And yeah, Stormcaller, it got some hits off. The fact that I can buff ahead of time, but there's sometimes you can't. Can you always buff ahead of time? Oh my God! Come on! What was that? What was that, guys? There's a drop down here. Where's the chicken? He's way over there. Good. I thought there was some kind of invasions that you couldn't buff ahead of time. Because, like, you go in and your flasks have all reset. What am I thinking of? I'm really enjoying Liza P. Oh, Dave Joyce. Dude, it's a beautiful game, man. Beautiful game. You can't buff ahead if you have... Click on the red invader ground thing. Okay, Drew, that's what it is. Okay. Well, let's just do the same thing, only kill it this time. I think it'd be a better move, right? Anyone agree? How come it took so long to freaking... I'm standing in your home. I'm standing in your home. I'm standing in your home. We're burning buffs here, folks. As prescribed by Dr. Drew. Okay, that's where we get the white mask clothes. As prescribed by Dr. Drew. Drew, don't you just love to, like, give me a prescription and it's more cowbell and I give you more cowbell and the fool just freaking dies? Now, I could go this way, but I literally like running from the other way. You got this. Yeah. Yeah, man. I got the set already. Okay, so am I done? I thought there was a third invader, guys. He's down at the other end in trance. He's out at the other end, down at the other in trance. I kind of want to kill him because now that I have my new toys. You're done, it looks. So maybe I was trying to loot down here because there's another entrance over here where that invader comes. Because there's loot in here. There's loot in here. And I ran in here to get the loot. And you get invaded. Told you. I'm getting greedy. Whoa. Kill him. I went right into the poopies because I knew I had him and I didn't have him. Backstab. That'd be a good move. So this is going to be a blood build with Morningstar. Catching a live show, Kevin Cook. How you doing? You know what? I think that is pretty close. We got this guy. We got this guy. That was bad. A couple bad things. I'll tell you, when you, like, for me, when you say, whoa, when you say backstab, I'm looking at this saying, like, everything's moving way too fast for me to think I'm ever going to get a backstab off. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying it's not the move. You know, someone mentioned with these great players, these great Souls players, they were joking how, like, some of these Soul players that are really good, like, they see everything in slow motion. You know what I mean? And that's kind of almost a little bit how I feel. Wait. Did I get my blood flame? Where's your sister? Shooting bodies, folks. Okay, now I feel like we have completed the mission. I know we got the clothes. I know we only came here for the clothes. You said two things here: white mask. Oh yeah, and the blood flies. Yeah, we got the blood flies, guys. The trick about the blood flies is, we're probably not gonna have the faith for it. Because I'd rather not make this guy a chicken farmer. I would rather respec him, hold him at 150, finish the game at 150. I don't know if I've ever done that. That would be a new challenge, guys. Right? Kevin Cook, good to see you, man. Looked like you got stabbed in the back on you, not one of those slow motion ones the Souls games are known for. Yeah. I know what you're talking about, Caleb. Yeah, you just stabbed me in the back. When you said backstab, I thought you were telling me to backstab him, and I'm like, I'm never behind him. If I am, I don't know. If I am, I'm somewhere between I don't know where I am and panic rolling. As a matter of fact, I'm going to write a song called Dude, Where's My Car? And panic rolling or something like that. But yeah, panic rolling is a thing, guys. It's a thing for normal people, okay? The Souls gods don't panic roll. I learned to not panic roll too much on the Godfrey video. By the way, it's right here on YouTube. Godfrey, the Get Good video. It shows my progression and my kill in about 6 minutes, and it's so rewarding. Jeez Louise. Okay, I want to know where the hell I had a okay. You know, the Dragonkin Soldier of Noxtella Grace. Dragonkin Soldier of Noxtella Grace. Noxtella. That's not over here, right? I don't even know where that is, guys. Dragonkin Soldier of Noxtella Grace in Ansel River, Maine. That's not so free a river. Where is that? That's not on this map. Do I not have that area? Do I need to go see if Randy will let me port there? Or is that going to be over here? Ansel River, Sluice. Well, okay, I found the right continent. And I don't have the grace. I don't have the grace they speak of. Guys, we need the Great Ghost Glovewort to get the Black Knife Teacher to level 10, or we'll never advance. We'll never advance, guys. In a chest at the back of a narrow room in Noxtella Eternal City, beware the silver tear disguised as a large iron ball hanging from the ceiling, waiting to ambush you. Do you guys know where that is? Where's the grace, though? Where's the freaking grace is the thing. You could tell me this. Noxtella Eternal City. Well, that at least we know we're in the right place. There's someone's gonna jump me, they're saying. It says, found in a chest at the back of a narrow room in Noxtella Eternal City. Beware the silver tear disguised as a large iron ball hanging up the ceiling waiting to ambush you. Oh, it does say map link, so we'll go ahead and do that. Oh, there is a map link. Oh, I hate these interactive maps, guys. They're useless. Does anyone ever go to the interactive maps and there's all this loot on here and it's like no weapons, ray gates, okay, no talisman, summoning pools. I'm having to unclick everything because it won't let me see. Oh, okay, undo all. And then come down here and it's like is it consumables, upgrade materials. Take down consumables. Oh, now we're getting warm, guys. Now we're getting warm. It says at the end of a long room. Does anybody know where the poopy is with the invader? Or walk into it. Drinking for trash. I just drink for trash, folks. Yes, there's so much clutter. Guys, we need the Great Ghost Glove Wart. It's not up there. I'm sure I already have that bell bearing, guys. I mean, will these things explode? Is this dumb? As long as I keep moving, it's not so dumb. Wow. We already have this, right? We always get this. Every playthrough we run in, we grab this. It's gone, guys. We already got it. It's at the end of a long room, they said. Oh, my God. Don't forget to equip the white mask. Ooh. Ooh. So that's going to be my helm. It's going to be my helm. My well-met helmet. It's going to be my helmet. This is not it. There's two whip guys in there. That's not the one they're talking about. It would have said stone sword key. So let's go ahead and go to equipment and let's put on the white mask now. Snow witch hat? No, I'm just kidding, guys. I know. Okina mask. Royal Helms is. There we go. White mask. There we go. We got white mask. Okay. Does anyone know the room they're talking about where there's a ball on the roof? It's this room, and I probably already have it. That's your heed. Guys, we watched that the other night. Heed! Paper! Now! This is the one. I never got this? Hey! Is there a door? I don't have mana. I have to kill this thing? Hey, nothing a few buffs can't fix, folks. Guys, I played Elden Ring. Guys. I needed a Ghost Glove Wart. I Googled it. I asked you guys. You guys didn't tell me. It's okay. You guys got me rocking this freaking sick build. The Morningstar build, guys. I'm having so much fun with this playthrough. And I Googled the location. I checked one. Oh, God. I should have went when I was already buffed, huh? I should have targeted it! That was dumb! Now you can have... Now you have to make a obnoxious choreographed dance set with all the other white maskers. Do they do that? You've accepted to bleed into your life. That's my heed. That's my heed now. I don't think the runes are worth it, guys. We came... Oh, well, we kind of need them... Huh. Boy, they're... Really? I can run past it. Don't forget to pick up the larval test for killing the ball. There's a wow, that dude is like actually on me, guys. I literally thought I was running through this like no hit, guys. You know what I mean? I really did. Look at that freaking. Okay, this ball. So I got to go back in that room and pick up the larval tier, or is there a larval tier for this ball? This guy's gonna chase me down, guys. But I killed the other one in the room. Didn't I? I was buffed, though. Don't forget to pick up the larval tier, they said. There's another one? No! All I gotta do is kite. I don't know why I have to stand and hit everything with my freaking forehead. You're saying there was... So that thing respawns. That... Guys, screw that. I'm not doing that. We have to check our inventory, though. Because do we have runes? I have no runes. I have a remembrance. But this is the first playthrough. I don't want to burn a remembrance. I like just go like no chicken, guys. No chicken. No chicken here, folks. But this is not to make myself overpowered and make the game easy. This is because, I mean, it's still kind of the same thing, right? This is because I am not willing to go get my runes. And we got to level up. We got to level up the teacher, folks. And I don't even know what it costs to level a teacher from 9 to 10. So we'll like, I'm thinking 2. Did I already? Is this the one? Oh wait, I didn't rest. Is it? This would be a good test. And we could earn our runes, guys. We could earn our level 10 Black Knife teacher. Except I think this guy might already be dead, guys. They all... So every time you kill one, it's about 14k. Oh, he's up, folks. He is... This is going to be fun. Woo! I'm scared. I've been watching so many good players lately, guys. They should... I should be able to invoke their presence, guys. I'm gonna invoke their presence! There goes my buffs! I should have waited till he was turning around at me, huh? Wow, he smacks, bro. Okay, I'm trying to dance with him a little bit. Maybe get off the hill. Okay, he got me with that. This guy smacks. He smacks, bro. I tried to dodge, but I did that extra... See, I'm too far away from him. I'm doing some damn, but guys, I'm not gonna get this guy. I'm not, yeah, no. Everything is hard in Dragon Barrow. Yeah. So do we try and just jump him off the edge? Does that still work? Pastime. until nightfall. Guys, I know all the difference in the world on this boss, guys. On this Knight's Cavalry. It's a little thing called Gold Scarab, which I don't have. No, I do have one. Good. Okay, does this work, guys? Does this work? I've seen so many people do it. I've done it myself. I feel like it's just going to hit me through the wall. Come on, sister! I think I needed to get him to... I can't see him. I gotta go back out, guys. That's... Oh, no. Come over the fence! Well... Does that not work anymore? Do I have to get him to chase me around the wall? You know what I mean? That might be the manuna, guys. I'm willing to try this one more time because, you know. Jeez. We need the runes. 14K. 14K is going to take me like, what? 8 or 9 ball farms? That's dumb. If that's the case, I should just go shoot a freaking chicken. But it's embarrassing, guys. It's better to try and play the game. Like by cheesing bosses off. You know what I mean? This isn't, you know, this is as intended, guys. This is as intended or it wouldn't be in a game. We're going to give it a shot, folks. Oh, Emma, I'm so sorry, Emma. And Kate. Thank you guys for saying hello on Twitch, man. I'm focusing on YouTube chat. I'm looking for Twitch chat as much as I can. I'm trying to be a better multi-streamer. Come on! Oh no! He came over! He came over this time. I try to roll it. I'm like, he's going to hit me. He's going to hit me. Be ready for the roll. Oh, Dave Joyce, I'll tell you guys, one time I made a reel of it. It's a little bit dark. But I had whatever build I was doing, I was going to kill him. I was fully just going to do the fight. And I swear to God, I go out, I engage him in the street, and he turns around, and he walks away. RP walks, just nice and slow. I'm like, what are you doing? Come back. Where's he going? And he walked right off the cliff and died. And I had him in the middle of the street. He was nowhere near the cheese. But the idea there is getting him to fall off, and he can. There are other cheeses here, too, guys, that I have done, which we're not going to do here. If I can't even cheese him, guys, then... You know, but there's other ones where you run up here and you range him. There's a message out there, but I don't think he will jump off the cliff right here. He'll just stand down there and go in circles and stuff, and you can range him. You can totally kill him. You could totally kill him that way, but I'm not doing it. I will not. Never seen the cheese. Yeah. I've done the cheese a few times. You know the old cheese, right? The old cheese, which they patched relatively early. They didn't patch it as fast as like well, I don't know exactly when they patched it. But you know when you run up here, there's all the poison. You just run up here and you kind of got to slow down a little bit to be sure he hits all these poison patches and the poison kills him. You get up to the top and you're just laughing and he's dead. It's a lot of runes, man. Early game, it's pretty sweet. How long ago? Maybe it's been patched. When he suicided for me, it was probably a year ago. I feel like I've seen streamers do it. Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Which country do you live? Emma, I am in the United States of America. Guys, you know what's so funny, man? Restreaming is crazy. Because a lot of people would be like, a lot of people would be so thankful to have 3 people come to their Twitch channel. They'd be like, oh my God, there's 3 people here. This is it. Ma, I made it. There's 3 people here. And guys, I got 3 people in Twitch chat. Totally ignoring them. Thank you, Twitch. If you guys like what you see, throw me a follow. YouTube, throw me a sub. Do we have stuff we can sell? What the hell do I... Okay, let's... What if we just big boyed a little bit and found something to kill to get runes for? Right? I mean, we just killed the ulcerated freaking tree spirit. Like, for instance... Did I go downstairs at the Zaymore ruins? Is there anything in there? How long ago? Maybe it's been patched. Yeah, it might have been patched. I don't know. I want to kill... Oh, yeah, downstairs here. I had to have gotten this bell bearing. I always loot that. I always loot it, but I'm freaked out right now. This is the problem with going back. Going back, guys. Just dwelling on the past. Whoa, what was that loot, man? Did you guys see that loot? I try to dismount in the air, folks. This is open, guys. This is open. I've been here. If not, I don't know, though. Yeah. Because I didn't get that ghost glovewort. Jesus Christ. Whoa. That looks like a boss. That looks like a freaking boss. He looks like the boss in the Everjail. We could do an Everjail. Donate a star Evergolio. We probably did these though, right? How can you tell? Oh, that one I don't have access to yet. How do you tell if you've done the Everjail? Doesn't it look different on the map? Charlie missed it earlier when I said, have you seen Millennia's waterfowl stopped? It stopped in its tracks. Cat did a few times with Rainy Dark Moon. Huh? No, I'm not hip to that. Isn't there frost pots or something? You could throw a frost pot at Millennia or something when she goes up in the air. If you hit her with it or something, is there a frost pot? Am I right? You guys know what I'm talking about? I'm sure we did this Everjail, guys. I just need a few freaking K, man. I just need a few K. Ain't nothing around here gonna give me 14K, bro. I gotta go back to big boy area. Yeah, I think the move is go back to the mountaintop of the big boys. Just be an adult. I'm checking this just because I have to. We're gonna go back to mountaintop of the giants. Whoa, there is a... Whoa, it's lit up. It's lit up, folks. This ain't gonna give me 14K, but you know what? We're gonna go ahead and leave the trinket on. Yeah, I didn't do the Everjail because I was scared, guys. I'm dead serious. Because I was scared. I was scared. I'm like, this is a melee. I can't do Everjails with the melee. Okay. Flame buff me up. Blood flame. There's no way! It's okay. I took care of it. I did that with the golden scarab, folks. 4,500. Let's go get a good account of what this is going to cost. Randy's Dark Moon knocks her out of the air. She's lying on the ground, and it's funny to watch. Cat, serious? Randy's Dark Moon. What spell is that? That's not the big slow moon though, is it? Because you'd have to get lucky on that. Right? Guys, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to get here. I'm going to burn the remembrance. Don't do it. Don't do it. Riker is up blue slapping me around like a little kid right now. Billy. Riker could be nasty, man. Quick phase 2, man. Once some skulls come, dude, I'm done.
Greetings. Are you here for...
That's what I'm thinking. Play it, you know, for me, I play the RNG. It is exactly 14,000. Wow, Dave Joyce knows his malarkey, guys. Okay, one thing I can do, I can sell junk, and I'll tell you why. Because wait, sell, because there's stuff we know we're not going to use. Like the Reduvia dagger, I can't sell it, guys. I can't sell it. Crystal knife. Those are all... I'm not getting much money for this stuff. What is this one? 200 points. Might want to sell that one. Ooh, 1,000 points. Coated sword. Not going to use it. Dark Moon Greatsword. Not going to use it. Not in this playthrough. A lot of loot, guys. Hey, 500 gold for this sucker. Might want to get rid of that one. Dude, Rivers of Blood. Not selling it. Not selling it, guys. We might at some point. Godskin Peeler I know is a real wet, man, but I don't, guys, I'm not a peeler. It doesn't appeal to me, folks. See what I did there? I saw a guy playing with the Rusted Anchor the other day. Ooh, that's my Morning Star. Might not want to sell that one. That hammer looks cool. Get rid of it. Ooh, 500 for this, baby. 500 for Falling Star Beast Jaw, guys. Not going to use it. It probably hurts people's feelings to watch me sell all this stuff, huh? People are like, don't sell anything. Buy everything, sell nothing. Starfist. These are like weapons I see like streamers use. All right, good. Now I feel pretty good. 13,666! Guys, we're almost there. We're almost there. All I gotta do is sell some clothing. Not off my back. Oh, shields. We can sell some shields. Oh, my God. We got it, guys. Should I save the buckler? I'm not going to sell the torch for 10 gold, guys. It's not worth it. Just keep it. It's like, I'll throw it in the trash before I sell it for 10 gold. You know what I mean? Now, talk to her. Guys, we get the Black Knife Teacher. It's really cheesy, but I always go to Rikard after I get the Memester. Yeah. To get the double wep, man. The double wep is nice. Hey. Okay, spirit tuning. Guys, look at this. Black Knife Teacher plus 10. Woo! Nothing can stop us now, folks. Nothing can stop us now. Who's doing what for Valentine's Day, guys? Never mind. Just know it hit him. Yeah, that's a move. That's a move. I'll tell you if you watch the no hit video by CBD, Cool Black Dude, and just fast forward to Rikard, because like the first, it's only like 38 minutes or something. The video or something. It's not real long. The first 15 minutes is setting up, and then you finally kill the Godskin Noble, and after that you do the you get Rikard, and he shows you basically how he no hits Rikard. It's not scripted like the Godskin Noble that I couldn't do even when I had the script. Remember that? We were trying to do that. It's not scripted, but he shows how to do it. He's like, put a shield, poke like this. You block most attacks by backing up. That's and just seeing someone do it. When you get in a fight, it's always different, right? Like Mike Tyson said. Is he the one that said that? You know, everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. You know what I mean? Once you get in there with Rikard, man, things get different, folks. Once you see the blasphemous blade, and you know you're not cool. Yeah. So I'm thinking There's no way there's going to be 8s in this cave, is there, guys? There's a cave in there. Is there not? There's a whole... Oh, this all here is rolled, right? Do we... No, I can't rightfully go there, guys. I don't want to go to the Hallowed... Well, I could actually go to the Hallowed Tree before I do Fire Giant Commander Niall. Here's another thing, guys. What the hell am I supposed to do with Commander Niall? Just the same way we always end it, but I'm melee, guys. It's going to be hard. It's going to be a long fight. It's going to be hard to get him melee. You know what I mean? I could run in, maybe zerg down one of the ads with the teacher, with the Black Knife teacher. How come... Oh, I have a Mimic tier +6. Let's see if we got the points to support this theory. I only have 1,460 runes.
Greetings. Are you here for...
How the hell am I supposed to freaking kill Commander Niall, guys, with this build? Oh, not that one. Where's the meme star? I only need 10k for that. And a great... And I don't have a Ghost Club War at 7 either. Why not? Probably because I've already leveled up my other fools, huh? Can I even go to the Hallowed Tree area? Well, one reason I can't go to Hallowed Tree now is because I don't want to... You can't go to Hallowed Tree until I burn stuff, right? Or until Malekith is... Now, Malekith is dead, right? Yeah, Fire Giant. We could go take a look at Fire Giant. Now, let's go look at Commander Niall, guys. He's our fool. He's our man. If we can't kill him, no one can. Yeah, Anix Tunnel, consecrated snowfields for 8s. Good, so I'm going to have to be waiting. Exactly, so... Yeah, so I was right. Billy Molnick says, I'm just rusty, haven't fought Rykard in over a year. Got some grease in the hinges, had 100 million runes on the line. Yeah, it's a lot, man. Do we just literally go see if our build can just... What kind of frost does this fool do, man? What kind of what kind of frost? What kind of damage does he do? I know this guy's got a... He's got a ice storm of his own, folks. He's got a little... That's why it's going to be so hard for me to get him, man. You can't do Hallowed Tree. To you. Oh, you're right. You're right. Cat, duh. That's the whole point of coming here. I'm like, can I even go to the Hallowed Tree? Let's just go to Niall first. Duh. Based on that, wow, man. But I'm talking so loud with my headphones on, guys. I talk way too loud. Guys, welcome to the Coffee Cam. Is it not obvious, guys? Did I get nervous at champs? Like, I'm going to have to deal with Commander Niall right now. I'm going to have to give it an attempt. We melted that Ultra Tree Spirit. He's a little... This is a little different. But the point of what I'm saying is... We surprised ourselves. And we just made the Black Knife Teacher +10. Bewitching Branches on the Banished Knights. Does that still work in the Commander Niall fight? I don't know. But I'll tell you this. I saw someone do it perfectly. Like, they ran up, and as one spawned, they got it on him, and then they went to the other one. I think they had a dodge one time, the second one on the left, and then they got it on him. I like, try it. I'm too far away. They're moving. Not the best Bewitching Branch person, but I'll tell you, they did do a lot of damage. And do I own bewitching branches, guys? This is the question, man. I don't think I do. If I have this in my inventory, the bald chin blessing, guys, is that bad? Am I supposed to click on that? Will that get rid of a debuff or something? I see a grace mimic. I don't see a bewitching branches, guys. I don't think I have it. Am I supposed to use this? I just used it. Yeah, guys. I'm not feeling the bewitching branch in my inventorio. The dumplings. I saw people using dumplings the other day. Okay, well, nothing here. Nothing here. So we're going to buff up. We're going to get the teacher. And we're going to try and do this the way we've done everything. We're just going to try it. Yeah, Estelle. Okay. Yeah. That could be fun. Estelle, I can wrap my head around. With the melee build. You know what I'm saying? It's almost... Estelle is like almost meant to be a melee build, right? Okay, guys. I'm done screwing around. I procrastinated enough with the coffee. I'm not topped off. Oh, we should... I'm gonna... I think I got a drink last, believe it or not. Teacher! You're in! Hey, I dodged. Black Knife Teacher! What's Teach doing? He's taking some damn... He's not really hurting anybody. Well, he just whacked both of them in the head. That wasn't bad. Did I send the elevator back down? Oh, yeah, I can call it now, huh? You got this. It was a rough start. I drank mana. That was dumb. I should have bum rushed that fool. Where you at, buddy? If you aggro him, I think what happens... An Archer, one of these other fools will come and Archer will get you, right? That was a pretty rough start, guys. But we all know... I mean, I just ran up to that dude and dodged before he even attacked me. And then he attacked me, and it was perfect timing for 2 shots on me. It was just dumb. It was just dumb, guys. I need CTFD. Right. I'm going to send a ladder down. No reason, guys. The elevator, no reason. I'm just doing it to be polite for the next guy who plays the game. It's like putting the toilet seat down. You know what I mean? You just be polite, guys. Be polite. I expect more from you, teacher. I expect more from you, teacher. Teacher's already on it, man. I should have Zamor Ice Stormed. Yep, he's got the range, guys. I gotta deal. I guess he's not gonna die if I don't hit him, right? New personal best, folks. New personal best. Wow. Teach, you can kill him, you know. Okay. Teacher's at 50%. Coming at me. I try to get my thing off, guys. I try to get my thing off. Hey, guys, it's a start. It's horrible, but it's 70%. It's 70%. Right? We made it past the guards, barely, right? Barely, because of the fact that I was at like 0% when I killed the first one. I mean, I don't know how I wasn't dead. Guys. But that is a new best. We went way farther than last time. Now, I think I have to stay away and let him attack me, which is going to suck, because that means he's just going to kill the Black Knife Teacher. Which maybe I could use that time to throw some buffs up. Are you guys feeling my plans? The flask that gives me unlimited mana to summon the Black Knife Teacher. How long does that last? Isn't it like 8 seconds or something? 10 seconds? It's not long, right? Because otherwise people would have the cheese spell. The one Trey uses. What's it called? You guys know. It would just sit there forever. Right? So I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. $15's a long time. 15's a long time. Okay, good. So I can go ahead and drink it now. Did I hit Niall? Maybe not the best move. You could help teach. Oh, that was a big attack. And Niall wants me! This is not going well. That dude punishes me every time. Yeah. I think I'm gonna need to rethink this. It's like, where does one acquire a bewitching branch? Can you not buy them? Of course, we have no runes, but we can get runes. Where does one acquire a bewitching branch? Because I do not have any in my inventory, guys. And you could buy them, right? You could buy them. Are they like a finite resource? I'm gonna look here, right? Because that's what you look when you've got to buy stuff. You got to go to the store. You can buy them. You'd have to look up what merchant, right? Well, we don't own any money. Wait, again, offer, but I don't have any bell bearings to offer, guys. So everything is closed, and I see no bewitching branches. There's none in the now. The front page shows me everything, right? The front. Does the front page show me everything, or do I have to look? Grace... Bewitching branch! No, sacrificial twig. Oh, I got so excited, guys. I got so excited. That was Patch's ball. Look at all these ball bearings we got, guys. I don't want to pass it. I don't want to pass it. Because I do own a remembrance that I've been kind of trying to hold on to. See, I don't even remember what it looks like, so I'm having to like mouse over to be sure, guys. This one 10, I think, right? Okay. Nomadic merchants. Now we go to this one. Isolated. You think sacrificial twig? Wrong twig, folks. Just looked up. You can craft them. So well, you know what? Duh. I should have done that first. I should have looked there first, guys. I mean, am I gonna have the mats to craft them or the cookbook to craft them? Who freaking knows? But you know what? That right there. There's okay. There's so many cookbooks there, guys. Okay, let's go to item crafting. We'll take a look, guys. Grace Mimic. And arrows. I can make lots of arrows, folks. I can make a lot of arrows. One thing about me. Yeah, so someone can craft them. I can't craft them. So they're called bewitching branches. Gideon gives you the cookbook after you find Malgrim Palace, so you might have the cookbook. I didn't see it. Gideon. Is Gideon even here? Oh my god. The loathsome. I just freaking saw the loathsome. He's gone. He's gone. Yeah. I don't see the recipe for it. I could knock out a few lightning pots right quick, but I do not own Google Book. No. Okay, that's enough. Guys, I can deal with this. I was a big boy before. Where is my... Did I close that window? Okay. Bewitching branch cookbook. Guys, chess tournament today. Biggest stream of the week, folks. Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Definitely going to want to be there for that. Stream starts at 4 p.m. How to get them. Bewitching branches are interesting items in Elden Ring. They can be used to charm foes, turning them into a player's ally temporarily. While these consumables items do not work on absolutely every enemy in the game, they can still be useful. The elderly can still serve a purpose. Dumb and Dumber, guys. Particularly when fighting Commander Niall. Oh, here we go, folks. Looks like they're on to us. For those players who would like to try out Elden Ring's bewitching branches for themselves, details on several ways to obtain them can be found in this guide. Okay. Now, just the facts, ma'am. Oh, okay. It's possible to receive one as a keepsake when creating a new character. Additionally, one of these can be looted from a corpse just northwest of the Church of Pilgrimage in the Weeping Peninsula, northwest. We'll go grab that one. These two will not last for very long, but they are being mentioned here for the sake of completeness. Whatever, dude. Where's the book? How to get the bewitching branch. 5 bewitching branches can be purchased from a merchant in Elden Ring that is situated north of Bellum Church in Lenor. Okay. I know the guy. I know you're kind of going down. He's in a, yeah. We know that guy. Only 1,600 runes. I can get 5 there. Craft. This is what we want, guys. This is like poor people hamburgers, right? Like when you're too poor to get McDonald's and so your mom makes you a house burger. Yeah, you remember all the jokes about that? This is like we can't afford to go buy bewitching branches like everybody else. So let's make a house bewitching branch. In order to craft them, you get the cookbook. Fervor's cookbook number 3. Speaking with Gideon in Round to Behold after visiting Moog Dynasty and Mogren Palace. Here are the details. Yeah. He's gone. Complete White Mask Var's quest line. I think I did that. Assemble Halix's secret medallion. What? After receiving the cookbook from Gideon, guys, I think kind of like when I was trying to platinum the game on on Steam, Bernal was not in the game. Well, I think my cookbook left with Gideon, folks. Yeah, the freaking merchant sells him, man. Freaking merchant sells him, all right. Do we even have... We do. We have it, folks. We're going to burn a remembrance. Which remembrance do I have, though, man? Guys, am I going to be sad? Tell me while I regret it. If I burn remembrance of the blasphemous. That is the freaking blasphemous blade. I cannot sell a blasphemous blade. I can't. What if I can't kill Radon? I'll need the blasphemous blade. Me and a Mimi, couple blasphemous blades. Feeling it? You feeling it? So I can't sell it. I just have to continue to play the game. We have to earn runes. We have to pick up our runes. We have to stop dropping them on the ground. Question is, I mean, I'm afraid of every damn thing. Just kill Fire Giant first. Just kill Fire Giant first. Duh. Fire Giant first. Ton of runes. A little more levels after we buy a bunch of bewitching branches. Guys, is that the move? I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. Raise his dex. Okay, maybe take the gold scarab off. I'm not smart enough to equip the gold scarab before the fire giant dies, like at the end of the fight. I'll forget. What about taking down the Mausoleum in Weeping Peninsula and copying a remembrance? Yeah, or fire giant. Right. Or I could just freaking shoot chickens, but guys, I'm trying not to do that. If I lose runes and I'm frustrated, I'm sure we already got the loot out of that thing, right? Guys, I'm going backwards. Is there loot on this one though? Is this the one? No, the loot's over there. But is there loot up here? What the hell just talked to me? That sounded like a troll, guys. The move I think is because we're here. There's two things we need to do in our life: Commander Niall and Fire Giant. Fire Giant's a little more straight ahead. It still could be hard, guys. Guys, my vig's at 40, guys. This is going to be a freaking challenge, man. This is going to be a freaking challenge, guys. Fire Giant, you know what I'm saying? But he will give us the runes to get us to the freaking Hallig tree, man. So I think the raises dex. I mean, it's something, right? Fire damage negation. Something, right? Guys, I got a chess stream in a couple of hours. Facebook Gaming. If you guys like what you see, please throw me a sub. We're going to be doing this. We always do this. We've been doing this. I'm going to try to do it at night at the same time every night. And life happens. Yeah, today's Valentine's Day, right? I'm still going to go live at 8 p.m. tonight, though. Might even go live a little early for Valentine's Day, like at 7. Doing this. We're going to have chess stream, chess tournament. After that, I'm going to come back here and do more of this. You know, we'll do Fire Giant attempts this evening, 7 or 8 o'clock. All right? Throw me a sub. We'll be right here. We're going to go in. We're going to kill a Fire Giant. We're going to buy the Bewitching Branches. We're going to kill Commander Niall for my first Bewitching Branch kill ever. Okay. And then we're going to get our Hallig Tree Medallion. I don't know if we're going to sing the Hallig Tree song tonight. Thank you guys for being here. Freaking love you guys. Thanks for all the help. And, yeah.